In this video, I'm going to show you how Flashlight monitors your account and lets you know if there's anything going on that you need to be concerned about. We would recommend the following approach. Number one, you will get a weekly email with stats about your account. Some of the information will require you to respider your account to update. Number two, you'll run your respider. And number three, you'll review the results on your dashboard. Step one, this is pretty straightforward. You'll receive a weekly email that summarizes your dashboard data. In order to get the most up-to-date information, you'll be asked to respider your account. Step two, respidering your account. To respider, click on Respider Now on the dashboard. You'll see your spider interface. The update or respider will be set to update fast, which is what you want. Then you can click on Start Spider. Just like your initial spider, you need to wait for the gears to stop spinning before you can close this window or log into another role. But the good news is that updating the documentation requires much lower processing than your initial spider, so you can trigger this at any time and don't need to schedule it for a weekend like you might have for your initial spider. You can respider your account every day if you like. In addition, in our other video, we show you how you can respider an individual customization if you want. Just so you know, respider all slow will re-document your whole account, so you really don't want to do that in most cases. Step 3. Manage your account from the dashboard. The customization and analysis tools on the left-hand side are covered in another video. On the right, you have your reminders and account metrics. The reminders portlet acts like your car dashboard warning lights. They only show up if there's a result for that search. These reminders alert you to potential security or configuration problems. There are several types of reminders. For example, it will let you know about potential dangers, such as if someone creates a new script that uses an API that could send your data to an external system or entity, or when the delete record permission is given to someone. Flashlight will alert you when new objects are created in ways that make the account harder to manage. Customizations created with default script IDs, or new fields with no help. It will keep you up to date on changes in your account, so it'll let you know if a customization has been deleted or if new scripts were created. And there are many, many more key alerts and reminders built into Flashlight. To see a complete list with descriptions, please consult our user guide. The chart in the middle gives you a view of the documentation in your account. The summary at the bottom gives you the totals for key data about your account. So this was a basic overview of Flashlight's account metrics and alerts. For more detailed information, please consult our user guide.